In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and play chess variants on chess.com. First, start by heading to chess.com and logging into your account. Being signed in ensures your games are recorded correctly and gives you access to the full set of features. If you land on the home page, you're in the right place. Make sure you're using a desktop browser for the layout I'm describing, as the placement of menus may look different elsewhere. Now look to the main menu on the left side of the screen. Move your mouse over the play button. No need to click yet, just hover. This will open a drop-down with additional options. If your window is small and you can't see the labels, expanding the window or hovering over the icons will reveal them. From that dropdown, click on 4 Player Invariants. This takes you to the Variants page, which is the hub for all the alternative chess modes. It's a great place to try something new without leaving the familiar chess.com environment. Once you arrive on the Variants page, direct your attention to the right-hand side. That's the lobby, where you'll see open challenges, current queues, and available games. Each entry typically shows the variant type, time control, and whether it's rated or casual. You can scroll through this panel to see what's active at the moment, and you'll often find faster matchmaking for popular formats. When you're ready to jump in, scroll through the list and pick a variant that looks interesting. For example, King of the Hill rewards you for bringing your king to the center, while 3-check challenges you to deliver 3 checks to win. There are many others to explore, and each one puts a fresh spin on standard chess. Once you've chosen, click the green play button to be matched automatically. That's the quickest way to get into a game. If you prefer more control, you can customize your own challenge instead. Set your time control, choose rated or casual, select your color preference, and define a rating range if you like. After you post your custom challenge, it appears in the lobby so other players can join. If you don't get a match right away, try a more popular time control or a widely played variant to speed things up. That's all there is to it. Log in, hover over play, choose 4 player invariants, check the lobby on the right, and then either click the green play button or create a custom challenge. Enjoy exploring the different styles and have fun discovering which variant suits you best.